Watch me work on custom Valentine's Day press-on nails. She requested XXXL coffin nails. She requested the base to be pink. She also said she liked the idea of red, pink, and black, but was scared they'd look tacky lol. And she also thought it would be fun for the nails to include some hints about how she's spending Valentine's Day. I started with some playing card nails. I included their initials and anniversary year. I felt like they were missing something, and I ended up applying some red chrome. I love them. Next, I decided the thumbs and pinkies should be red chrome Frenchies. The next two nails will have chrome wording. The last two nails will be full chrome with some bling. Here's the final set. Thank you so much for watching.